Now, blood of Jesus! Hey, director. Hello?
Where are you?
Director. House.
Okay, calm down now. We are at the location now. We are waiting for you.
Director, they come.
Calm down so that we don't lose sunlight. We want to start now, please. Come. He's coming. He's on his way. Come and sit. We have been waiting for you. Don't take this so long.
Sorry, sir.
Please don't let us lose on the cameraman. Are you ready? This is what you have to do. You will run like a thief. Then you carry this tire and pursue him like you are chasing a thief. Now you are to be the thief. You will run.
Director, wait. I am to be the thief. No, director, wait. Director, who is this one?
I don't know him. He's not part of us today. Yes, he's there. Maybe he's one of the neighbors.
Director, who is that one with tire and matches?
I don't know him neither. He's not part of us.
Director, you don't know these two people. What about these two people here? Are they part of us?
No, they are not.
Director.
Tate, forget about these people. Just ask what I asked you to ask. It's as
Director,
simple as you
play the thief.
Yes,
They are not part of us.
they are not part of us. You are the thief. You just pursue. You finish.
And what are they doing with all these items?
They are neighbor. We are just visitors here. For God's sake, you.
Why not him play the thief and me, I will come with the tire and we continue?
No, listen. It's your role, and you fit in it. It's not about him. It's you. I gave the rules. Like I said earlier, you will run. Cameraman, position here with your camera. Give us a close shot, like a close-up shot, because he will be running, and you will be running after him. This tire, and you, the lady. You will pretend as if it's your own bag or something he has stolen. Then you will be shouting, thief, and running after him. Are you ready? Yes. Camera, are you ready? Yeah. Action.
Have you seen the newspaper today? One man died of hunger.
MC Tate, I know you
And
like
they
food too
said-
much. Don't
no,
worry.
they-
After this shot,
they
you go
said
and eat before we move on to another one.
Director, let me eat. I can come back later. I will play the thief. They will run after me and wear me the tire.
Yes.
I'm coming. He will run after me. Neighbor, skin neighbor. Neighbor, I am coming. I'm coming back.
Yes, come and ask
I
now.
will. Director, you can go and run. You can go.
Alright, thank you very much for watching that Funny Lab Nation Entertainment Comedy video. See you on
Monday,
also
on Friday.
Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and book us for any event with the number shown on your screen. Please subscribe. If not, these people, I jam their head.
Cheers.